In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a workflow in Wrike. If you've been looking to adjust your project management processes and make them more efficient, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to modify workflows in Wrike, ensuring your projects are organized and streamlined to suit your team's needs. First, you'll need to navigate to Wrike's website, wrike.com, and log in. To do this, locate the login button in the upper right corner of the page. It's a straightforward step. Simply enter your email and password, and you'll be on your way to accessing the dashboard. Once logged in, take a look at the sidebar on your screen. Here you should see your profile image. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a variety of options tailored to your profile and account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select the settings option. This is where you can make a variety of changes, but for now we'll focus on workflows. Within the settings, direct your attention to the sidebar once more and click on Workflow. This option, typically labeled as Workflow 3, will give you access to all the workflows created in your account. You'll see a list displayed, which might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through this together. Find the workflow you wish to edit by scrolling through the list. If it doesn't pop out to you, you can always use a handy shortcut. Press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, or CMD plus F if you're using a Mac. This command opens a search bar where you can quickly locate your desired workflow by typing its name. After you've located the workflow, go ahead and click on its title. Now, you might want to make some changes like adding or modifying the status within the workflow. To add a new status, scroll to the bottom of any status group you see and click Add Status. This will allow you to expand the workflow to better fit the stages of your project. For existing statuses, you have the option to rename them or even change their color to match your preference or organizational scheme. Simply click on the status and you'll see options to rename or select a new color, making it more visually appealing and intuitive. Finally, once you've made all your changes, don't forget to save your work. Navigate to the upper right hand corner of the screen and click Save. This ensures that all your adjustments are secured and reflected in your project's workflow. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to customize workflows in Wrike, making your project management experience smoother and more tailored to your needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maximize your productivity on Wrike.